What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, Lyndon Hawthorne, and I am here with another unboxing. This is an Amazon Prime box. This shipped from Lexington, Kentucky to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, I want to say thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands and thousands of unboxings. I'm not sponsored by Amazon, but I'd love to be, or any of the products that are in this unboxing, but I would love to be. This first up is Bodman Black Faber Fragrance Spray. So I personally really like this smell. There we go. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not going to put any more on. But Ryback, the wrestler, recommended this, and I tried it, and it smells really good. And then last but not least, for this unboxing, we have 3 Salonpas pain sprays. This is a jet spray, so it's kind of like the Gloops that you can get anywhere, but this doesn't, leave stains and get it crusty stuff in your eyes. I really like it. Ooh, that bod spray is kicking in. So I got Bodman spray, black, and then Salonpas jet spray. I'm a big fan of these products. I'm like the Tin Man. I'm always spraying all my joints when I wake up, and then right before I work out. It really does work. If you have a recommendation for something else that I should check out, let me know in the comments below. Support my channel. Please share my videos. Hit that thumbs up button, the notification bell. If you like cool t-shirts, you can go to riptapparel.com. That's rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username as your coupon code, Lyndon Hawthorne, and you'll save a couple bucks off your purchase, and I get a couple bucks in credit. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please have a great day.